Welcome back to today's video. We will be opening this Pokeball. I'm actually not really sure what kind it is. I'm not too well versed in all the different types of Pokeballs. I always have the hardest time opening these. Freaking hate these. But my CVS had a huge restock, so I thought I'd get the coolest one I could find. Okay, so we got Obsidian Flame, Scarlet and Violet base, and a Quaxly. So, oh my gosh, dropping that. Let's start with Scarlet and Violet. Okay, code card. Okay, please be something good. Annihilate, because I'm about to annihilate these pets. Alright. Okay, nothing at all. Am I really not going to get anything good? Here's the code card. Ah! My dog is trying to get the... I literally did not get anything. So I thought the annihilate meant I was going to annihilate these packs, but no, I got annihilated. Nice. Nothing! Alright, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next one.